Hello everyone, this is Asad Nadeem from Sarm Healthcare Instrument. Today we are going to take a look at Brewer rubber dam clamp forceps. Brewer rubber dam clamp forceps are used to hold and place rubber dam clamps around teeth. Let me show you. As you can see, each from top side and from the other sides. We always use high quality stainless steel so you can get best experience of your life. Our instruments are highly corrosion resistant and manufactured by professionals. We check each and every piece carefully. As you can see, we also provide OEM services so you can get your desired instruments with your own logo. Contact us for more info. Thanks.